In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Robinhood on dark mode. This can make your screen easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to open the Robinhood app on your device. It's the very first step in accessing all of the features we'll be discussing today. Once the app is open, you need to tap on your profile icon. This is often referred to as the account icon. It's typically located in the top corner of your screen. With your profile icon tapped, you'll now open the Settings menu. This is where you can customize your app's appearance and functionality. It's essential to know your way around these settings for a personalized experience. Within Settings, look for an option labeled Dark Mode or Appearance. Now, once you've found the Dark Mode or Appearance option, go ahead and select it. This is where you can decide how the app looks. You have the choice between keeping the app dark all the time or setting it to automatic to match your device's theme. Choosing automatic will allow the app to adapt to your device's light and dark themes. This is particularly useful if you use dark mode at night and light mode during the day. If for some reason you don't see a dark mode setting within the Robinhood app, don't worry. Some versions of the app rely on your device's system theme. This means you'll need to adjust your device's settings to achieve the desired effect. For Android users, you'll begin by opening your device's settings, then scroll down and tap on Display. This is where you can adjust your screen's brightness and theme. Within the display settings, find the option to turn on dark theme. After you've turned on the dark theme, you might need to reopen the Robinhood app. This will ensure the app registers the change in your device's theme settings. If you've done all this and the app still appears light, don't worry. It's important to make sure your Robinhood app is updated to the latest version. Updates often include fixes and improvements that could resolve display issues. A quick restart of the app can also be a good troubleshooting step if things aren't working as expected. Some features and app versions might handle dark mode differently, so patience is key. Remember, keeping your app updated ensures you have access to the latest features and fixes. With these steps, you should now be able to enjoy Robinhood in dark mode. This setting not only enhances the visual experience but can also reduce eye strain. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your daily app usage. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful in personalizing your Robinhood app. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. Have a great day and enjoy the new look of your app.